You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. Let's break it down. It's from Sanskrit. If you want to learn more Sanskrit names, Indian names, stay tuned. I've got tons more at the end of the video. Locally in India, Akanksha. Now in English, the first and the last A's are pronounced generally more as schwa sounds, as sound, as in Akanksha. That's more the English pronunciation, Akanksha, or Indian pronunciation, Akanksha. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.